to Tarot with Chiva. So today babasahan po natin ang ating mga Leo sign. Si Leo ang huling sign na babasahan natin for February, and then we are going to move on to our 2026 reading, which is para sa lahat ng signs naman po. So, unang gagawin natin today is bibigyan kita ng moon card or moon message mo, and then bibigyan kita or titignan natin yung true emotional mo. And then, i-clarify natin ang ating mga tarot card. So, first, I'm gonna read your astrology for February, which is sa career and love. So, sa career muna tayo. Sa iyong career and finance, professional life revolve around teamwork. So, kailangan mo makapag-teamwork on February. Early February is great for organizing workflows. But keep your plans private from competitive ng mga tao sa paligid mo. And then, Mars is a strong position until February 23. Boosting your willpower, it's an idea, wisdom for starting a new business, adventure, or seeking a promotion. So, financial discipline, Mercury turns retrograde on February 26. So, finalize contracts and major purchase before then. Then, avoid showing off with impulsive spending mid-month. So, sinasabi dito as your financial discipline is huwag masyadong gumastos sa gitna ng February, no? And then, finalize your contract or major mga bibilihin at mga gagastusin, no? Before mag-mid ng February. Because, impulsive spending sa mid-month or mid-February is hindi makakaganda sa iyong future financial or career situation. So, doon naman tayo sa love and relationship mo, Leo. Astrology speaking, we're gonna have the solar eclipse on February 17th in Aquarius, your relationship sector. So, which is ikaw yung balik-kabaliktaran ng Aquarius, no? So, marks a massive turning point. Expect shake-ups, no? Gigisingin ka ng mga point na to. So, could mean meeting someone new or sudden deepening or a current bond, no? So, kung single ka, meron kang makikilalang bago. This is a love and relationship. And if you are in a relationship naman is you need to have a deep connection with your partner, whether you like it or not. Ito yung force ngayon ni solar eclipse sa'yo. And Valentine's strategy naman is bring a love vibes to your friendship, no, or to your loved ones if you are single. And if you are committed naman, drop dead drama. So, walang masyadong drama. Focus lang and quiet and comforting closeness, no? Maging close ka, pag-communicate ka ng maayos, ng walang drama, no? This is your strategy for Valentine's Day. Alright, that's your astrology advice and message. And then let's move to your moon message. Okay, let's move to your moon message naman. This is your moon message. Okay, your moon message is, sorry, dalawin nakuha ko. Step out of your comfort zone. North Node. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay. Let's clarify it. North Node. Okay, step out of your comfort zone. There's a strong feeling when you get this card that it's time to leave the past behind somehow. Before you are healed in the right direction. If you want to be happy and fulfilled, you need to get going towards doing the things that scares you. Within reason, this card is all about living your life purpose, which is possibly what you've asked about. Okay, so sinasabi ng card na ito sa'yo, Leo, is iwanan mo na yung mga past na hindi naman nakakatulong sa'yo this your future or your recent situation. So, to be able to be happy or feel fulfilled, better to leave the things that not helping you anymore, or yung mga nakakatakot, mga kinakatakutan mo, no? So, ito yung gustong sabihin sa'yo ni message. So, you're headed for something which feels like destiny. Okay? You need to face a fear and get over it. No? If meron kang mga may mga past ka or may mga past trauma ka na yun pa rin yung dala mo ngayon, no? Para hindi ka matakot at wala kang katakutan na sa mga gusto mo pang gawin, no? Better to leave them behind. Okay? Stand on your own 2 feet. You've got this. Ito yung message sa'yo ng iyong moon card. So, very nice advice and card. Thank you for that, moon. Alright, let's move to your true emotion. So, this is your true emotion, and then we move to clarify it with your tarot card. Alright. So, first, bibigyan kita ng iyong true emotion, no? This is February reading, ay general reading lang po. If it's not resonate with you, please leave it behind at huwag na pong pansinin. But this is for Leo sign po, and for those who has replacement for Leo, which is Sun, Moon, and Rising, replacement po para sa mga cross watchers. Alright. Workplace affair, self-love, and shady. Okay, you have workplace affair, shady, and self-love. Let's clarify this, okay, Leo? First, let's clarify it with your workplace affair. Ano to? Ano tong affair na to? Let's see with your tarot card. Only text will resonate with you, okay? Alright. Oh. Okay. Naka-reverse siya. Alright, you have 9 of Wands, you have 3 of Pentacles, you have 5 of Cups, and you have the Empress in reverse. So, unahin natin itong si 9 of Wands. Si 9 of Wands is mukhang there's so many things in your plate, no? Meaning, parang kung makikita mo sa card na yan, is parang kahit anong trabaho yung gawin niya, no? Parang hindi natatapos, no? So, parang pagod na siya dyan. Parang pagod, parang kahit anong trabaho gawin ko, parang hindi natatapos, no? So, I think the good advice for this one is to have more discipline, no? I-handle lang iyong mga oras sa trabaho and mag-focus sa iyong health, kasi dyan kasi is parang pagod na siya, parang hindi siya nag-i-enjoy, no? Hindi siya nag-i-enjoy sa part na yon. So, mas maganda siguro is yung manage your time, and kung may mga time ka pa na sobra dyan, pwede ka naman humanap ng ibang pagkakaabalahan mo or iba pang mga part-time mo na mag-i-enjoy ka. Kasi you are staying in the place where parang tinatayo mo ng tinatayo, pero parang hindi natatapos yung pagtatayo mo dito, no? And then wala kang enough na nakukuha, kaya napapagod ka na. Parang pagod ka na dito sa part na to. Okay, let's clarify. Let's move to your next card, which is you have Three of Pentacles. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Sorry, naka-reverse siya. So, ibig sabihin, low quality. No? Ibig sabihin ng card na ito is lack of skill. Lack of skill ka pa. Ibig sabihin yan, sa card mo kanina ng Nine of Wands is mukhang hindi mo naman passion talaga itong trabahong ginagawa mo ngayon. So, parang kaya ka napapagod, kaya feeling mo parang wala kang success dito, no? Napapagod ka dahil low quality or lack of skills ka dito sa part na to, dito sa trabahong ito, no? Insulation ang ibig sabihin nito kapag naka-reverse. Groove conflict, no? We are clarifying this with your workplace affair. Okay? So, ano ba yung nangyayari sa trabaho mo? Okay, let's move to your next card, which is you have the Five of Cups. Kung makikita mo, nakatumba yung tatlong baso niya, pero merong baso pa sa dalawa. So, ibig sabihin nito is, you feel disappointment, no? Fear, takot, loss, no? Pero kung makikita mo sa likod niya, may dalawa pa naman. So, ibig sabihin, may opportunity ka pa. Tignan mo lang. Mabuti. Tignan mo mabuti. Nasa likod mo lang siya. Tignan mo, hindi siya nakatalikod siya dun sa dalawang baso. So, ibig sabihin yan, Leo, kung nadi-disappoint ka dito sa part na to, sa tatlong baso na to, no? Na parang feeling mo is low quality ka sa part na to or sa work na yan. And then, parang nalalack of skills ka, no? Parang hindi ito yung, meron ka pang gustong gawin, no, Leo. Parang, ramdam mo sa sarili mo na yung ginagawa ngayon, yung trabaho ngayon, is not for you, no? Parang low quality for you. Kasi meron ka pang mas mataas na skills pa, kaysa sa ginagawa mo ngayon, no? So, tignan mo yung dalawang cups sa likod mo. And malay mo, yung dalawang cups na yan is, isa dyan is yung talagang passion mo, mag-i-enjoy ka, plus doon pa yung opportunity na mag-increase pa yung mga financial mo, okay? So, let's move to the Empress, which is in reverse. So, yes, maybe because of this, sa work mo, no, na natatakot kang humanap o palitan yung trabaho mo ngayon dahil hindi mo nga alam kung may makukuha ka. Kaya, you feel lazy, no? Lack of inspiration, no? Your lack of concentration, no? Kasi naka-reverse si the Empress. Kasi kung hindi naka-reverse si Empress, is about happy, contentment, no? Parang success siya, yung feel niya success siya, yung lahat ng skills niya nandiyan, no? Pero naka-reverse siya, ibig sabihin, hindi mo pa na-achieve itong mga ito, no? But don't worry, dahil pag nalaman mo at tinanggal mo yung takot mo sa sarili mo, meron kang success at mga opportunities na darating sa'yo. Okay, this is your workplace affair, clarified with your tarot card. Okay, so let's move to your next, which is the Shady. Okay, let's clarify the Shady, please. For Leo, please, Shady. Okay. Reverse again. So you have Temperance, which is in reverse. You have Eight of Cups, and you have the Devil card. So, unahin natin the Temperance. Si Temperance, pag naka-reverse ito, it's about conflicts and of interest. So, mukhang ikaw, Leo, is parang nawawalan ka ng ng pag-asa. Feeling mo wala kang pag-asa. Nandiyan ka na, stuck ka na dyan, no? No, parang wala nang stability, no? Kasi si Temperance pag naka-reverse is parang instability siya, no? Instability, impatient, no? Wala, lack of interest, no? And then you have also the Eight of Cups, which is Gusto ni Eight of Cups, makikita mo, nakatayo yung, okay naman, nakatayo naman yung ano mo, yung mga baso mo. Pero, gusto pa ni Eight of Cups na hanapin pa yung kulang na mga cups, which is the 9 and 10 cups, diba? Kasi 8 lang to eh. So, all you have to do is you have to make an action, no? Kailangan. Ito yung advice dito is need to make an action and need for rebirth, which is kailangan mong mag-heal, kailangan mong huwag matakot because rebirth means healing yan eh. Rebirth means from dark to light. Now, Leo, so yun. Sino gustong may-stuck sa ayaw nilang gawin at hindi naman nila passion yun, diba? Siyempre, lahat tayo gusto natin ng change. And, especially, kung ito naman yung magpapa-upgrade sa atin, no? Sa ating sarili, sa ating buhay, sa ating family, why not? Try to change job. Don't be afraid, no? Because you have the devil. Si devil kasi is about limitation, no? Limitation si devil card. It's about materialism, obsession, shadow self. So, at the moment, nasa ano ka, nasa iyong transformation mode ka ngayon, Leo, no? Nagta-transit ka. So, this is about your responsibilities, no? Masyado kang na lulunod sa mga responsibilities mo sa ngayon. And you have opportunities on 2026. So, if you want to have change, to upgrade, or to put more sa plate mo na mas makakatulong sa'yo, is maganda mag-heal ka muna, no? Ano ka muna, dadaan ka muna sa momento ng death to rebirth. Okay? So, because you have the devil card, which is death as well. It's about, tama. It's about materialism, shadow self, obsession, powerlessness, no? So, obviously, you are in the situation na need mong hanap ng liwanag sa sarili mo. And, kanina, you have 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is also about the rebirth card, no? Trust your intuition. Sundan mo yung sinasabi sa'yo ng utak mo, hindi ng puso mo. No? Yeah. That's your shady, clarified with your tarot card. Okay, let's move to self-love. Tignan natin sa self-love mo. Self-love, please. Okay, again, reverse. You have the Emperor in reverse. Failure, ineffectiveness, immatured, weakness, unreasoning, overbearing. And then, next card, you have 5 of Swords, which is something, no? Something na gusto mong ma-achieve. Sa sobrang gusto mong ma-achieve to, no, you are being aggressive, no, argument, no, fear. So, I think being, to love yourself is to handle your emotion, okay? Handle your emotion and your mind. Your subconscious, no? You trust your intuition and then trust it in a good way, Leo. Okay? Trust it and then ilabas mo sa surface, ilabas mo sa iyong 3 dimension or sa totoong buhay mo ng positive way. Okay? Don't be so aggressive. Like, we all have our challenges sa buhay. And lahat ng sagot ay nasa sarili natin. Wala sa ibang tao, wala sa nanay mo, wala sa asawa mo, wala sa magulang mo, wala sa mga anak mo. Tayo ang magdidesisyon ng buhay natin. And alam mo yan, Leo. I know you know that. No? And then, once you discipline your emotion, your mind, no? Once you discipline it, sumunod sa iyo mismo, sa intuition mo, sa subconscious mo, sumunod, you're gonna have a Ace of Pentacles, which is the new beginning, no? This is new beginning, leading. And then, ikaw ang maglilid sa iyong sariling ambitious, no? Original, prosperity, opportunity, manifestation, labor, and new venture. So, this is the Ace of Pentacles. So, yeah. Kailangan mo mag-work muna sa sarili mo, sa loob mo, no? Sa inner self mo muna, Leo. And then you're gonna be so much happier once you handle your emotion and your intuition well, no? So let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles for you. Let's clarify it, please. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles, please. See? You have the Empress and you have the Death. See? Told ya. You have the Death and you have the Empress. Clarify natin with your Ace of Pentacles, no? So, ibig sabihin nito, dadaan ka talaga muna sa dilim bago ka pumunta sa liwanag. That is about adventure din, no? Ready to face all the fear, mga takot, no? Ready siyang harapin lahat ng mga takot sa sarili niya, kung ano mga tinatakot niya. Ready siyang bitawan at i-let go yung mga trauma, no? Para makita ang liwanag at maging the Empress. Si Empress is very, intelligent yan si Empress. Very intelligent siya. No? Alam na yung gagawin niya. Alam niya yung mga plano niya. Alam niya yung mga step by step na gagawin niya. So, from magulong pag-iisip, mga takot at trauma mo, no? Ito yung yung gift sa'yo ni Universe. Ito, no? So, yun lang. Be disciplined sa iyong iniisip. Huwag matakot. Kasi ano naman ang kakatakot natin, no? Tayo to eh. Wala tayong dapat katakutan, no, Leo? And you are leader. You should be a leader. You cannot just rolling around, walking around, getting small things, no? That's not you. You are more than that, no? You are more than that, Leo. Leo is a leader, no? Leo is one of the favorite sign of universe, si Leo. So, we can do it, no? You can do it. Okay, let me give you advice for, I think I'm gonna give you manifesting message for you, Leo. So, you can use it for your manifesting once you realize and naisip mo na yung mga dapat mong isipin, no, about this. Kung mag-stay ka ba mag-stuck ka pa ba dito, or mag-move forward ka, or maghahanap ka ng ibang paraan, no, para makaalis dito at makita yung mga opportunity na para talaga sa'yo, no? Kasi you have a lot of opportunity. Trust me, Leo. Ang dami mong opportunity. All you have to do is wag kang matakot. Face them all, no? Kahit ano pa yan, wag kang matakot. It's okay. It's okay. Life is always like that. Surviving, okay? So, this is your manifesting card for Leo, please. Tayo ang ang leader ng ating buhay. Wala tayong dapat katakutan. Okay? Ka matatakot. Pag wala kang ginagawang masama, wala kang kakatakutan. Ba't ka matatakot, di ba? Ang matakot yung mga gumawa ng mga mali. Yan ang mga dapat matakot. Hindi lang sa universe matakot, sa katotohanan din, di ba? Alright. So, I am free. The veil of ego lifts, revealing a new vision of my life. Focus on my inner growth. I listen to the voice of my heart and remain grounded in love. Free from fear, judgment, and induality, I step confidently towards inner peace. Napakagandang pang-manifesto. But remember, sa lahat po, pag ma-manifest natin ay hindi ka makakapag-manifest kapag magulo ang iyong utak. Kailangan mo munang i-let go ang lahat na dapat mong i-let go na trauma, mga sakit, mga energy sa paligid mo na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo sa pag-growth mo, sa iyong sarili mo. Kapag may mga energy na nakakapagod, pag may mga energy na parang hindi ka nakakapag-move forward, hindi ka makakapag-manifest. Manifesting is about talking to your inner self. No? So, ito yon, gamitin mo itong card mo na ito to manifest after you release. You can do it. Everyone can do it. Nasa sa inyo yan kung gusto nyong gawin or gusto nyo pang ramdamin yung mga trauma na yan, no? Nasa sa inyo yan. Nasa sa inyo ang sarili nyong pagbabago. Wala sa ibang tao, okay? So, good luck and see you on my next video.